Go to fear15coins.co.uk for the cheapest Android coins on the market. Link in the description. Yo guys, mobile gameplay here, and today I will be doing the final episode of trading to Manuel Neuer. So, as you can see, we've got 266k, and these two haven't sold yet, but we have enough to buy Neuer, as you can see here. But like I said in I think it was last episode, I will be doing a pack opening with the coins that I've got. So as you can see, we can actually buy Neuer, but we're gonna open packs. So we've got 35k packs. What are they? 30 items, 18 gold, no, 18 rare. And we've got 25k packs, gold players premium. And then we've got the 15k packs. Not sure which ones to go for. I think we'll do the 25k packs. And then once we get down to 100k, I think we'll do the 35k packs then. So let's just get straight into it. First pack. What we're gonna get? I'm looking. Oh my god, no, we got Fernando. Oh my god. No. That's not a good start. Really not a good start. He might go for something. But the rest, no. Well, there's only one. I only had one of those packs. Wow. Right, so let's do the 15k packs. And then once we get down to 100k, we'll do 35k packs. Like I said before. Second pack, not gonna look. What we got? Should be open. Ooh, Hulk. He goes for something. Pretty sure. That pack was better than the last pack, but still nowhere near as good. No. But still not really, super good. Skip. Give me an inform. Varane. But doesn't go for anything. No, nothing in that pack either. Right, next pack. I'm gonna put my phone on its face down. Okay, what have we got in this time? Cáceres. Wow, Cáceres. It's our best player. Are you actually serious right now? Give me inform Vidal or something. Walcott. Well, it's okay. It's okay. At best. Right, nose pack. Done. For this one, I don't know what I'm going to do. Oh, we got pity. Sure. Right, quick sell that. Right, next pack, this time I'm going to go home pack. Just as it's about to open, go home, and we go back into it. Oh, Leandro Castan. Don't know how much he goes for. Probably not much. Wijnaldum, doesn't go for much. All left me to left wing, that goes for a little bit. For the rest, we can quick sell. What shall we do now? Elbow pack. Let's get my adjusting going on. Elbow. Yes, worked. Not gonna look. Come on, inform, please. Please inform. Oh, didn't get anything. Wow, these packs are terrible. Come on. Man, I can't see this. Right, what have we got this time? Socrates might go for a little bit. And then, nope, nothing else. I think we might do the 35k packs now, actually. Skip. Come on, give me something. Ooh, we might go for something. Maybe, I don't know. There might be an overreaction. Still, Honda was our best player in that pack. These packs really aren't that good, are they? Right, no luck, Skip. That was a no skip as well. Juan Mata, yes! That's our best player so far. He still probably doesn't go for that much, but... well, it's something at least. I'm going to go back to the 15k packs. Because I think you get more value for money, you know. And as I say that, we get Vla. Wow. Quick sell. Quick sell. Come on. Come on, I'm looking at this one this time. Inform, please. Alright, instant quick sell. Let's open some 7.5k packs instead. So you're getting... ooh, 100k. Sure, that one goes through a little bit. Alright, next pack. Come on, yes! Royce! Yes! Sure, he goes for about 100k. Brilliant. And this guy as well. Take it all back, 7.5k packs are the best. That's our first really good pull of the pack opening. And then we just go and get a non-rare. Wow. I'm going to keep opening 7.5k packs. They're actually quite good. Valbuena? Not sure where we go. We got trolled again. Well, not again, but we just got trolled. We got Eden freaking Hazard. What's his name? Thorgan or something, isn't it? You got Thorgan Hazard. Why can't he transform into his brother? That would be a lot better. Come on, come on. No, that's not good. Come on, skip. Ronaldo! Oh, it didn't work. No. Thought he was good, but then you look at that 67 pace. Nah, come on, give me Messi, give me Ronaldo. I can't see it. I've put it face down. Should be open now. Come on, come on. No. No. You just got Tito Yayo. Come on, give me good pack. Please. Never get Paletta. No. Not sure I want to open 15k pack again. You know what, I'll put a 15k pack. I'm not looking. Come on, inform, please. Not looking good. Vela might go for a little bit. Julio Cesar as well. But that's it for that pack. Alright, last pack of the pack opening. Come on, EA. Come on. Check, yes. Oh, I thought I was going to be Hazard then. Hard, skip to jump, skip to beat. Yeah, that's it. I really thought that was Hazard. Whew. In that pack we get Check and the Grado. Yeah, 7.5k packs were the best. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the... Oops, that was me. I think that's... So I hope you guys enjoyed this final episode of Trading to Manuel Neuer. And like I said, it was a pack opening. And yeah, don't forget to go to 15coins.co.uk and the link in the description for cheap Android and iOS coins. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.